Good morning, my dear students. I am Mrs. Sandhya Raje, teaching English from JNV Nanded. Today, let us see about gender. Number one, let us see about the masculine gender first. A noun is said to be in the masculine gender if it refers to a male character or member of a species. Suppose if a person is a man, no, is a male, then all these words belong to this masculine gender. Man, lion, hero, boy, king, horse, and actor. See, all these words they represent the male character. Example: a boy is playing in the playground. The hero looks very handsome. In these sentences, the words boy and hero are masculine gender nouns. Let us see what are feminine gender. A noun is said to be in the feminine gender if it refers to a female member to a species. Woman, lioness, heroine, girl, mare, niece, empress, cow, and actress are the few of the feminine gender nouns that we use. Example: a girl is playing in the playground. Heroine of the movie is very pretty. In these sentences, a girl and heroine are feminine gender nouns. Let us see what are common gender. A noun is said to be in common gender if it refers to a member of species, which can be a male or a female. So you cannot find out whether it is feminine or masculine because it is a common. Child, we don't know whether it is male or female. Student, girl student, boy student, we don't know. Friend, applicant, candidate, servant, member. So these words are common genders, neither they are feminine or masculine. Parliamentarian and leader are few of the common gender nouns. A child is playing in the playground. A candidate should have command over his language. So in these sentences, child and candidate are common gender nouns. Neuter gender. Let us see what are these. A noun is said to be in the neuter gender if it refers to a member of a species which is neither a male nor a female. Normally, nouns referring to lifeless objects are in neuter nouns. All lifeless objects are, which are nouns, they are neuter gender. Chair, table, tree, star, mountain, street, book, car, school, paper, pencil, computer are few of the neuter nouns which we use regularly. For example, computer has brought about drastic changes in our lives. Tree is very useful in protecting the environment. Stars are not visible in the daytime. Books are our best friends. So in these sentences, what are the neuter genders? Computer, tree, stars, books. Okay. Here are some examples: masculine and feminine, male, female, boy, girl, man, woman, gents, ladies, husband, wife, fox, vixen, horse, mare, bachelor, spinster. What is bachelor? A person who is not married. Here, a girl who is not married. Okay. King, queen, sir, madam, father, mother, monk, nun, brother, sister, son, daughter, father-in-law, mother-in-law, uncle, aunt, gander, goose, bull, cow. Okay. See, here are some examples. where feminine form of noun is obtained by suffixing ESS or INE after the masculine form of the noun. Prince, princess. Just we have added ESS. Poet, poetess. God, goddess. Host, hostess. Tiger, tigress. Lion, lioness. Waiter, waitress. We have added ESS and it became feminine. Okay, from masculine. There are some example where feminine form of noun is obtained by suffixing a different word. See here, milkman, milkwoman, peacock, peahen, landlord, landlady, salesman, saleswoman. See the difference? Other examples of common gender: parents, guardian, child, teacher, doctor, friend, baby. Neuter gender denotes something that is neither male nor female. The neuter gender does not fall into the category of male or female, and hence these words do not have gender. All non-living things belong to this category. They are lifeless things, I told you. For example, book has no gender. We cannot categorize it into male or female. Therefore, the word book is a neuter gender. They are lifeless words. These are the examples for neuter gender. But there are certain non-living things which are treated as persons, like the act of treating a non-living thing as a living thing and attributing living characteristics to them is called personification, figure of speech. These non-living things are then treated as male or female. For example, the nature takes care of her children. Here actually nature is a neuter gender, but here in this sentence it is treated as feminine gender because she is taking care of her children. So here nature became feminine. The moon is hiding her face behind the dense clouds. See, this word is treated as feminine. The sun shines with his entire valor. Here again, this is categorized as male. Words like sun, time, summer, winter are categorized as male. Okay, and here nature and moon, they are categorized as female. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.